Working together, it takes Elena and Eduardo 10 days to do an architectural project. If Elena can do the project by herself in 15 days, how long will it take Eduardo to do the same project working by himself? So we're going to let T equal the number of days where Eduardo works alone. And we're going to complete a table helping us to organize the information given within the problem. So with our table, we'll let the first row be Elena, and we'll let the second row be Eduardo. And we will label our columns rate of work, and the second column time at work, and our last column part of task completed, part of task completed. And we know from the problem that Elena by herself can do the whole job in 15 days. So in one day she can do 1/15 of the job. And working with Eduardo, they can do the job together in 10 days. So when we multiply these two columns together, she can do 10/15ths of the task herself. Eduardo, if we let T be the number of days where it would take him to do this task alone, then if he can do that in T days, then he can do 1/T of the job, 1 over T of the job per day. And working with Elena, they can do this job in 10 days, so the part of the task that he can perform would be 10 over T. And now we have these two fractions given the entire one job. This is how much Elena can do, this is how much Eduardo can do of the same job. So when we add these two fractions together, 10 over 15 plus 10 over T, those must add up to equal the entire job, or one job. And now we'll go ahead and solve this equation for T. We'll multiply both sides by a common denominator. The lowest common denominator will be 15T, so we're going to multiply the whole left side and right side of this equation by 15T. On the right, we'll simply take 15T times 1 and get 15T. On the left, using the distributive property, 15T times 10 over 15 gives us 10T. 15T times 10 over T, the T's divide out, 15 times 10 is 150. So again, solving for T, I'm going to subtract 10T from both sides, giving us 5T, and dividing both sides by 5, we get T equals 30. So the final answer to this question, how many days will it take Eduardo to do the job alone? It would take him 30 days.